Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you a great but delicious sandwich recipe. If you love sandwich, keep watching this video. So to start, I'll get my sandwich bread. As you can see, this is longer than the average bread and it doesn't have any crust. I'll come in with some smoked ham. Next, I'll come in with some lettuce, some sliced boiled eggs, sweet corn. I must say you put in what you want, but don't make it too thick or else rolling is going to be very difficult. I'll come in with a little bit of salt, some black pepper. I'll come in with my favorite mayonnaise, and that is the Heinz mayonnaise. As you can see, I left one end unfilled. This is because I am going to close it with that end. If you fill it, it's going to spill out after you close it. And we don't want that. It is not going to give you the perfect finish. So when making it, make sure you leave that space. Spread the space with a little bit of mayonnaise is going to act as a glue to give it the perfect seal. So I'll go ahead and roll it gently. I'll secure it with some toothpicks. In my bread knife, I'll just slice it into 3. And here we are, our round sandwiches are ready. I must say, kids love this. So this is another creative way to make your sandwiches. I hope I did help you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.